What's up guys, this is Henry from the future. In this episode we will be installing the JP3 Motorsports RX-7 FD fuel line covers, the nice metal shrouds for that, as well as modifying the 2+2 seat side mounts that have speakers in them to fit with the pass-through, the OEM pass-through setup in my car. I didn't realize they were different at the time and I had to modify them for that. Obviously you'll see that the RX-7 is not here right now. It's actually with Jared at Forward Performance getting fab work for that blow-off valve and a few little things like fuel filter and stuff. We'll check in with him here soon. That said, obviously the IS is home. The 410 gears are in. I'm stoked. Everything is pretty much running right. I have a couple other things to address and you will see about that next week. So let's jump into this RX-7 video. It's a little interim video until we get into the fun stuff. The cars are about to be fully ready for spring. I'm about to do some big video stuff. We'll get all the cars out for some cruising. But yeah, thanks for watching and let's get into it. Okay guys, in addition to the intercooler stuff, I also installed these sweet fuel line covers from JP3 Motorsports. They have been making some awesome stuff, man. I really like it. Like, it makes this nice flat, covers it nicely. Actually, so, and this covers and saves my lines on this side. So nice. Very much liking that. I'll show you a cool picture of it here. Better picture, but basically, just run a couple spacers on those that they send you, and they connect right in the middle right there, and they go across. So yeah, really nice installation. Let me show you a nice picture of it done. Hey guys, okay, so I got these side mount interior mounts, and I actually didn't realize how different they were. These were for, I guess, the 2+2 with the back seats. These are for the cubby. I already sold these, so I can't reuse them. So I'm using them just as a template here. And I already cut the first one, and I got a little ambitious and I just did it. And I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. It's simple, it's not perfect, but it actually works and it fits. It works on the other side, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So you can see here, this one here has its bottom piece. That comes off with just a couple screws there. Easy. But you can also tell, once you lay these on top of each other, how different they are. This piece not being there, and then this whole bottom piece has to be cut out as well. So let me do that and I'll show you what I'm doing here. It's gonna fit now. So let me do that, let's put it in and I'll show you what I'm doing. There you have it. Let's start this thing. And all right guys, that wraps up this video. Next week we will be talking about this thing. Probably also grabbing the RX-7, so maybe a little bit of both. But I will be going through and hopefully fixing the last thing. We were voltage drop testing it, seeing why it's taking so much cranking amps to get it to start. It's basically dropping the AEM V2 down to like 9 volts every time we're trying to start, and it's almost not satisfying stat sync. We think that we're either down to the crank sensor or the anti-grav battery. I got a crank sensor, so we'll do that. We're gonna do that tomorrow. But we'll address everything, and hopefully we can get both cars just reliable and ready to go for this season. I'm nothing but stoked. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. We got a lot more to come. This is gonna be a great season. This has been a little bit of downtime getting the cars ready, obviously. We did a couple of build series, but we're caught up. The cars are about to be perfect, and it's about to be time to enjoy it. So yeah. Lots to come. See you next week.